Building and hosting a website using Python Anywhere is a straightforward process, particularly if you are familiar with Python and web frameworks such as Flask or Django. Below is a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you through the entire process, complete with code examples. Step 1. Set up a Python Anywhere account. 1. Sign up. Go to Python Anywhere apps or pythonanywhere.com and create an account. The free tier is sufficient for small projects. Log in once you have an account. Log into your dashboard. Step 2. Create a new web app. 1. Go to the Web tab from the dashboard. Click on the Web tab. Add a new web app. Click on Add a new web app. Choose a framework. You will be prompted to select a framework. For this tutorial, we will use Flask. Choose a domain. You can select the default domain or customize it. Select Python version. Choose the Python version you want to use, e.g. Python 3.8. Step 3. Set up your Flask app. 1. Access the Files tab. Click on the Files tab. Navigate to your web app directory. You will find a directory created for your web app, e.g. home, yourusername, mysite. Create a Flask app in the web app directory. Create a file named Flask app py. Here is a simple example of a Flask application. Python Flask app py from Flask. Import Flask app. Flask name app route def home return home welcome to me website. Edit the WSGI file in the Web tab. Find the WSGI configuration file, usually named something like yourusername or WSGI py. Modify the WSGI file. Edit the WSGI file to point to your Flask app. It should look something like this. Python import sys import os. Add your project directory to the sys path project home yourusername mysite. If project home not in sys path append project home. Import your Flask app from Flask app. Import app as application. This assumes your app is in Flask app py. Step 5. Set up static files. Optional if you want to serve static files like xevs or images. Create a folder named static in your web app directory and place your Step 6. Reload your web app. 1. Go back to the Web tab after making your changes. Return to the Web tab. Reload. Click on the Reload button to apply your changes. Step 7. Access your website. Open your web browser and go to the URL provided by Python Anywhere, e.g. yourusername pythonanywhere.com. You should see the message Welcome to me website. Step 8. Add more functionality. Optional. You can extend your Flask app by adding templates and more routes. Here's an example of how to use templates. 1. Create a templates folder in your web app directory. Create a folder named Templates. Create a template file inside the Templates folder. Create a file named Home. Update your Flask app. Modify your Flask app to render this template. Reload your app again after making these changes. Make sure to reload your web app. Visit your site. Navigate to your Python Anywhere URL to see your updated site. Conclusion: you've successfully created a simple website using Flask and hosted it on Python Anywhere. From here, you can expand your app's functionality by adding more routes, using databases, or integrating third-party services. Python Anywhere also offers many additional features, such as scheduled tasks and database support, which you can explore as you grow your web application.